Hello everyone. Sorry I have been gone for a while. I am dealing with some really bad apartment issues with stuff, shall we say. I went and did a lot of shopping today, and I did not mean to buy this. But and of course when I turned on my camera was like dead. But I got this, and I wasn't planning on getting this, but I had just been looking for something just like this because my other tubs that I have a lot of my sewing stuff in, they're like broken. The two furry kids have broken them. And I'm going to show you those in a minute, but these are great. Really big drawers, a nice sturdy top, which I can see you can't see, but my camera is plugged in, so anyways, it's got a very sturdy top, so they're not going to bust this thing up. But the funny thing is, and I'm gonna cut real quick, and I'm gonna show you the one that I was looking for online because I love this plastic drawer system that I'm going to show you, and I couldn't find them anywhere. No stores have them, but you can get a few of them, but they're like $60 for 3 of them. Now this, look at, the cats are excited. This was at JoAnn's. I was at JoAnn's, and this one was $130. And I didn't plan on spending $130, but I love the rainbow colors. I love the drawers. This was the only one they had there. They had a skinnier one, and I thought, nope, the boys might tip that one over. This one's on wheels. And I like the big drawers, which is what I was looking for, because the 3 drawer set that I'm going to show you, they are really wide and they're deep. In fact, they're the same width as this one. And they're like $60. So yeah, I might have paid up a little bit more, but this is a 6-drawer system. I just noticed one of my drawers is cracked. Oh my gosh, I just noticed that. I just noticed that. That is cracked. I have no luck at all. It was the only one that they had. I still got my receipt. I might have to call JoAnn and see if I can get a replacement one. I don't know how that's going to work, but that kind of ticks me off that that's cracked. I'll have to call them and see. Oh man, I thought I looked at this thing clearly. I was so excited when I saw it. Anyways, I'm going to show you the other one that I was trying to find. So here's the 3-drawer one that I was looking at online. So I did a lot of shopping today. You guys want to see something like I'm really embarrassed about? Right there. That is my back closet. It is a frightful disaster. I'm trying to get it organized a little bit and get rid of stuff. It's looked worse. Let me tell you, you usually can't walk in there. You can kind of walk in there. There's a little path right there, but yeah. It's a mess. And I'm in the groove, either use it or donate it or throw it away. So that's my 3 choices. And it's a disaster. So anyways, I just had to share my little buy today. So hi everyone, I got this set up where it's gonna go, and Jingles is happy. I I put, let me see if I can zoom in, some rubber matting cut to make sure that that top piece doesn't scratch the top. I did call, I'm going to call JoAnn's on Monday. Today's Sunday. So I'm going to call them tomorrow morning and tell them I want a replacement, and I do not know how long that's going to take. So I can't fill this. You know how frustrating that is? Oh my gosh, I can't fill it. I can't throw this other garbage away. Sorry, I was going to say crap. I can't throw the other crap away, and oh, here, let me just show you. Look at it. They're all busted on top. See that? Let me zoom in. See that? That one's really bad. Look at that. I've had these for so long, you guys. I don't even remember where I got them. I don't know if I bought them at a store, if I got them at a garage sale. I don't know. Plastic. Let me tell you about plastics. Because I used to be a mechanical drafter, and I took plastics as part of my training for a mechanical drafter. And plastics get brittle over age. So he looks very happy, doesn't he? Hey, Mom put this up really high, and I get to look out the window. There's the window right there. Yeah. So plastics get brittle over age, you guys. So now I really like the one he's sitting on, okay? That 3 set right there. I'm not getting rid of that because I have my son's army picture in there. I've got some other stuff. I got some of my drafting rulers in there. So I want to keep that one, but you can see he's sagging. Okay, I gotta show you this. Hold on. Hold on. It's sagging. He's on it. And it's sagging a little bit. And that's what causes the cracking. So I'm going to use this thing as long as possible. Waste not, want not. I know that's an old saying, but it's actually true. So that is going to be that's going to be the setup right there. Maybe I could put something on the top there so they don't sit on it and flex it. He's flexing it. Let me see if you can see that. I got my camera plugged in because of course it was like dead when I turned it on. I was like, you gotta be kidding me. It's flexing just a little bit, not much. Never mind my piece of plastic hanging out there, but it's flexing. So what happens with plastic over age, it just gets brittle. And I really like this one. I couldn't believe that they were $60 online. And that didn't even include the shipping. Some of them had free shipping, but not all of them. And they were, this is, they're not making, Sterilite is not making this brand anymore. This is a Sterilite. And I was able to find the actual product number, and I did a search on it, and oh, Lord have mercy. You can't find these for under 60 bucks. So for me to pay 130 for this other one, yeah, but it's got more rigid top. I don't know if I can zoom into that or not. Here, let me see. Okay, see the plastic, these right here. See these? That makes it stronger. There's little ridges going up. That makes that stronger. The ones that Jingles is laying on right now, they don't have that. So they improved the design. Hi, Tuco. Hi, handsome boy. Oh, you so cute. Everybody, there's Tuco. Ah, you people bore me. So, yeah, so they have improved the design, so hopefully this will last many years. So for 130 bucks, I still want a replacement because of that yellow drawer being cracked. I know that did not happen when I brought it home. I think it was like that at the store. Like I said, this was the only one on the shelf at the time, so we'll see what happens. I'll let you guys know what happens on Monday when I call. So hello everyone. So I went and did some shopping, and sorry, this is not really centered, is it? Okay, so I bought a new sewing box, and the reason being, which I'll bring up my old one. Here's my old one. Yeah, it's cute. All that. I gotta turn this so I can see. Hold on. We're gonna have to zoom in here. Hold on. Now, maybe some of you know how to fix this. I don't know how to fix this. Okay. See that? I gotta look at my camera here. See that? Right here. It's come apart right there. It still closes, but you just gotta be careful opening it and make sure you get the piece of the metal when you open it. So I thought maybe E6000 glue. Just kind of glue that on there and clamp it. But other than that, I mean, the box is in great shape. But the one I bought, because they were 30% off, is a new one. Let me zoom back out again here. Hold on. Let me be that close. Alright. So my new one that I bought right here, it's the same size as my other one, but it's new. Okay, and then I also bought this. Now, you're probably wondering, why would I buy that book? Well, I'm going to attempt to make my own top. And I have, the reason I went to JoAnn to begin with was to get some pattern transfer, I don't know what you call it. It's kind of an interfacing type. It's a little bit thicker than tissue paper, shall we say. And I do have a friend, she's going to help me. She used to make clothes a lot, and she's going to help me. But there is a video on this particular top that I'm going to make. And I already have the material. I got the pattern. But here's the problem. I am right in between two sizes of this pattern based on some measurements that I took on my body. So I was watching some Sewing with Nancy videos way back a long time ago, and she shows how to adjust your pattern based on your measurements. So I thought, you know what, I went shopping for clothes back during the week of 4th of July, and they do not have dressing rooms open in my state. It's so frustrating. I am under a blue dictatorship governor, and everything is shut down. Everything is shut down. You cannot go into a store and try on clothes in this state. So then I am 50 miles. I am 50 miles from the Twin Cities, you guys. I'm way out in the middle of nowhere. And I was shopping towards the cities, and I'm like, well, how am I supposed to know if this stuff fits? But you can't know a fit unless you try it on, right? You can't know a fit if you're a woman. Your boobs matter. Your body shape matters. And whether or not this stuff fits, you have to try it on. So I got to the point where I might as well figure out, I have a feeling my state's going to be locked down again. And I don't know what is going on with COVID. But there's therapeutics. But anyways, I have decided, I think I'm going to start making my own clothes. I have clothes that fit me very well. And I need to know how to sew clothes. All I know how to do is quilting. I do not know how to sew clothes. Okay, I am fully aware. I'm not embarrassed about it. I do not know how to do it. I have a friend, she used to make clothes all the time. And she said she will help me. So there's a video for this particular top on the Sewing with Nancy website, which was bought out by a Missouri Quilt Company. And they had a wardrobe builder. And when I first saw the video, they did not have the pattern. But they had the pattern recently, and I bought the pattern. I also bought some material. And I think I have enough to make, it's actually a pajama set, but she's making the top to wear out in public. Okay? So I'm going to eventually make the shorts too, but I want to know what I'm doing. So this book I got explains sewing clothes, because I am at the point where I think I'm going to have to start making my own clothes because I can't try them on in the store. How screwed up is that? This has got to stop. This insanity has got to stop. Give me a break. You guys have all been tested for the flu. It was not COVID. They had no COVID to test the PCR tests with. And I don't care if my channel gets shut down over this. It is a fact. That's a fact. You wait. At the end of the year, they're going to get rid of the PCR test and they're going to come out with a new one. Because this was all fake, you guys. The therapeutics stop the blood clotting that happens in your lungs. That's what kills you. It's the blood clotting. Do you know anyone who is on like Plavix, these blood thinners, whatever? You don't have to worry about COVID. I told my heart doctor I wanted to stay on Plavix. They wanted to take me off. I said, no, I'm going to stay on it until this COVID thing is over and done with, because it prevents me from getting COVID. Blood thinners. It's the blood clots that kills you. It's hydroxychloroquine and ivermectin that cures it if you happen to get it. But all the PCR tests have been testing for the flu. The flu. You've all been scammed, and you all should be so angry about this. Alright, enough of me. Thanks for watching. Just wanted to share what I got here.